Hi, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N100, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security and Lock Screen. Tap on Lock Screen Passcode and pick one of the options. Swipe button PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it. Enter my pattern, tap Next, draw it again and click Confirm. How do you want the lock screen to display? Pick one of the options and click Done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!